Good morning, all. My name is Johnson Y. I am the faculty in charge of the project of the Shagat team from UKF College of Engineering and Technology, Paripalli, Kollam. All of you know that the electricity has become one of the basic requirements for people, and it is widely used for domestic and industrial and agricultural purposes. All of you know that the billing system that we use currently are very time consuming and laborious. The proposed project of our team presents the automated solution for the existing energy distribution and monitoring system. A prepaid electricity energy meter is a good concept in which you can recharge your balance like we do in our mobile phones. And here in this project we used Arduino and GSM module, which are the two basic components, the primary components. We get the message by sending an SMS. So by using an SMS we can recharge our balance, and if the balance is low, by using this technique we can cut off the power supply and we can resume the supply again by using the same SMS. And the conventional system, you know that in this system a person from electricity board came to our home and he reads the recording from the energy meter by manually, and this reading is used for the energy bill calculation, and that calculation is completed and he sends this bill to our home by post. So this system is very sluggish as well as laborious. So people try to manipulate the system by the current reversal process or by bypass metering or by some magnetic interference methods, etc. So these are the disadvantages or problems faced nowadays. In order to avoid, we propose this method. And the major benefit or major advantage of this system is that it is completely cost effective. Cost reduction can be made possible, and we may use this system based on the concept that pay first and then use later. That is the concept behind this work. And a relay is used to cut off the supply if the credit or available credit is exhausted. This prepaid scheme also improves the energy consumption management by the people. So we know what are the major components and what is the working of our system. The energy meter is interfaced with an Arduino by a pulse LED of the energy meter. An optocoupler is used in the system to isolate the dangerous part or the high voltage supply from that of the other. So when we power up, it reads the previous values of rupees that is stored in EEPROM, and it checks the available balance with the predefined values. And suppose we take a typical value of 15 rupees. If the available balance is greater than 15 rupees, then the system will turn on the electricity. Suppose if the available balance is less than 15 rupees, then the system will cut off the supply or giving a warning to the system. So the main components is one is LCD display, a liquid crystal display that is of 16 characters by 2 line specification, and it is interfaced with a PIC microcontroller, and it requires only 5 volt DC supply. Another one is GSM module that is used with a 12 volt adapter. It's a specialized type of modem that accepts a SIM card. And the Arduino, as we know, is an open source project kit that is created a microcontroller based kits for the building energy digital based devices. Each facilitates the programming. And optocoupler, I said earlier, is used for the isolation purpose. Relay is an electromechanical on-off switch which is used to either cut off or on the supply. And the pulse calculation is used in this project. That is actually a major work, and also the programming part is also an innovative part. So the major benefit or the major key feature of this system is that it is a bidirectional device. Bidirectional means that we can inform or we can inquire the available qualities of our power supply or power system to the authorities. So apart from the authority side, we can communicate to the authority through this mechanism. So the major advantages of this proposed system is that one is the cost effectiveness, and the other one is the bidirectional feature, and these two are the major ones. And I think that this project will help to develop a product, a prepaid energy meter with bidirectional transfer, bidirectional communication, will cost only less than 3,000 rupees. When we build these devices in bulk, we get a product of approximately 1,000 rupees. So it's a major revolution, and it will help the energy management in our country in a positive manner. Thank you. Have a nice day.